This is the R01. It is a tester for AC. So if you need to test to see if your circuit breakers are on, this product may be right for you. Let's open this up, show you what you get inside the box, and demonstrate a very simple way easy to use. Instruction guide comes in a number of colors. AAA batteries, 2 supplied. You have 2 buttons, a black and a green, and a clip to hang. You have this bottom base that you simply hold the red and twist the black counterclockwise and pull off and slide in your AAA batteries and close up like so. We have an outlet, no lights, not sure if we got power. As we have the unit on, we have 4 colors: red, blue, or purple, green, yellow, or orange. As you near the unit, you're going to hear audible sound and see the yellowish orange light come on. As I get near and I check out the plug, you can hear the unit beeping and showing all 4 colors. We have a light. If I go up to the light, what you hear and see, it shows the line and how you have power in the line. This is the voltage tool. It comes in a number of colors and the instructions of the different voltages in different colors: red, purple, green, and orange. You get 2 AAA batteries. Simply take this part here, counterclockwise, pull up, and if you want to take off the handle, you can do so, and place in the positive first into the unit, and then close up. As simple as that. We have 2 buttons here. You have a green button that lights up in the dark, light, and the on and off in different changes of the currents. This unit runs up to 1000 volts. We have power. As you can see, when I point to a different direction, it doesn't show power. Is this line alive by the unit? It shows voltage. The light button, the on and off button to change the different tones and to shut the light off. Long press to shut off. I hope this is something that you are looking for in your toolkit to test out voltage. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.